Welcome. We are going to discuss if and C++. We have two integer variable a comma b. See how they use the front on the screen. Here is a message for a. Enter value for a. And Cn is used to input value for variable. Input value for a. Respectively, we can use this statement to input value for b. Here is if performs statement according to condition. If condition is true, then perform block of those statements which is followed by if. Otherwise, execute all those statements which are in else block. This is comparison operator to check equality or not. If A is equal B, then perform this block. Otherwise, perform this block. If condition is true, means A is equal B, then perform this code of block. If condition is false, then perform this code of block. Here is value for A and B. A is not equal B. If A has 50 and B also 50, A is equal B. If condition is true, perform these step below. Otherwise, this.